Kilimanjaro is a snow-covered mountain 19,710 feet high and is said to be the highest mountain in Africa. Close to the western summit, there is the dried and frozen carcass of a leopard. No one has explained what the leopard was seeking at that altitude.
Look at him. I wonder, is it sight or is it scent that brings them?
They've been about for ever so long, they don't mean a thing.
The marvelous thing is that it's painless now.
Is it really?
Yes. That's how you know when it starts. They're a filthy bird. But they know their business. Used to watch the way they sailed very carefully at first. In case I ever wanted to use one of them in a story. That's funny now.
I've gotten so nervous not being able to do anything. I think we might make it as easy as possible until the plane comes.
Or until the plane doesn't come.
Mr. Johnson hasn't been a white hunter for a quarter of a century not to know his way around. If he can't get a plane, he'll be back with another truck.
One way or another. Not very important.
I feel so helpless. I wish there was something I could do.
You can take the leg off. Or you can shoot me. You're a good shot. I taught you to shoot, didn't I?
Let's not be melodramatic, Harry. You're not going to die.
No, I'm dying now. Ask those things.
They're around every camp. You never notice them. I don't see why this had to happen to your leg in the first place. What have we done, either one of us, to have had this happen to us?
Well, I suppose that what I did was forget to put iodine on it when I first scratched it. We were after the Impala, in case you've forgotten. And with a camera at that. Hey! Ow! Ow!
That isn't what I meant. And it isn't how you got your leg.
No?
Not at all. It was at the lake last week. It was a lovely, peaceful day, and those enormous hippos were having their own party. We could have passed them by without incident, but oh no, you had to get so awfully playful.
Wenda, Dona Wakulia.
Look at them, there must be hundreds of them. Harry, look at that one.
I wouldn't chance it any closer.
Doctor, hurry, move!
Not in the least.
Let's go! On guard, hurry, move!
Harry, easy. You're asking for trouble.
Here. Harry, we've lost one of our boats. And you insisted on carrying the boy in your arms all the way back to camp. And it was from all his blood and dirt that you got that infection.
That could be the point of view. From yours, it would be contact with the lower classes. Being a writer, I prefer to think that it was a quirk of fate. A mere prick of a thorn that laid the great man low. But a lot it matters now.
Harry, please.
Molo! Whiskey soda. Make it pronto, Molo.
It's bad for you.
No, it isn't. It's good for me.
It's not good for you.
No, it's bad for me. Cole Porter wrote the words and music. It's knowledge that you're going mad for me. Hey, that's poetry. Oh, I'm full of poetry now. Rotten poetry.
Harry.
Rotten poetry.
Harry, it said in the first aid book to avoid all alcohol. It's not good for you. That's what I meant by giving up. You must do everything you can.
How do you do it? I'm too tired.
I'll take this. Only to keep it away from you.
You know, that's a pretty good rule for life. Take everything you can, if only to keep it from somebody else. Wish I'd followed it.
I'm sure Molo understands more English than you think he does.
Molo,
Tijuana?
go away, or stuff your ears, so you won't hear the civilized people fighting. Kitoko.
Tijuana, mimi toka.
Harry, if you think you have to die, is it absolutely necessary for you to kill off everything you leave behind?
You think this is any fun for me? I don't even know why I do it. Trying to kill to keep yourself alive, I imagine.
You won't die if you
Well, it's
don't...
not dying, not in itself that matters. It's dying a failure. Leaves a bad taste in your mouth. How does a man miss the boat? Did I ever tell you about my beginning? When I was young? With my first love?
No, you didn't. And I'm not sure I want to hear it.
Tell you all about it over this drink.
You'll tell me without.
There are plenty of things you're lucky I haven't told you. This little ditty had everything. Drama, tragedy, love, and poetry. Simply everything. Connie, Uncle Bill doesn't mean...
Oh, yes, he does. You know he does. The old mossback. The nasty, dirty, stuck-up old mossback.
Well, he only said we ought to wait.
Ah, wait. I like that. Coming from you.
Well, I didn't
You
say...
bet you didn't. Not once all summer when you wanted to hug and kiss me and get fresh. And all those things about where you take me and what we do. Not once did you yell to me to wait. I love you. You don't even know what love is.
Connie.
Oh, go fly a kite.
Come in, Harry. She'll recover.
Connie, I'll shove off for you.
You shoved off already.
You still intend to become a writer?
Yes.
Well, there are different kinds of writers, just as there are different kinds of everything. You can become another hack. It's easy. Peddle soap to housewives. Nothing wrong with peddling soap. Make a fortune. But I'll tell you the only right approach to real writing. It's like a hunt. It's a hunt in which a man pits his brains against the forces of ignorance and evil. It's a lifelong, lonely safari. And the prey he seeks is a truth worth telling. Faith worth living by. Something worth spilling his guts about. That he's tracked down by himself. I don't know if you'll be one to have the fortitude to stick it. To follow the spoor, no matter where it leads. To what pain and suffering. To hell and high water. If you are, God help you. God pity you. And good luck. But I beg you not to ruin yourself before you start by loading your pack with excess baggage.
Well, that's my business, isn't it?
Yes. Yes, it is. You know, you're young. You'll need to travel and learn. Education. I'd like to help. I think I've made clear the conditions. Your birthday next week. Here. From now on, you might regard that Springfield as your own. Shall we have a try for deer tomorrow? Good weather for it.